So you can see here that I'm just getting started by placing my chicken wings right on top of this little rack that I have on top of my baking sheet. So I'm gonna just quickly throw those on there, perfect, just like that, and then we'll go ahead and evenly line them up. Now, there are a lot of ways to cook the chicken wings, but you know what? I think that this rack just works really, really great. So if you've never tried this way, go ahead, give it a shot, because I think that you're actually really gonna enjoy it. It's super easy. Okay, so I have those lined up on there just like that. That looks perfect. Now I've got some ranch dressing here, just this little seasoned packet that I'm gonna rip open, and I'm gonna just spread this right over the top. Just gently sprinkle a little bit of this on each one of these chicken wings. You guys, I've tried a lot of things and I've done wings a lot of ways, and let me tell you what, this is easy and super tasty. Just a little bit of this ranch seasoning right on top of these wings, and you don't need anything else, because all of the juice from the inside and from that skin is gonna soak in with that ranch, and it is going to be fabulous. You are totally gonna thank me for this one. So we're gonna pop them in the oven at 400 between 40 and 50 minutes, and stick around, there's more to come. It's easy and it's super tasty. You're gonna love it. Yummy. We have some hot, crispy wings, you guys. And just take a minute to look at how crispy those are. They really do wonders when you cook them on a rack like that. Now, I have a little foil pan here, so we're just gonna kind of dump these right in. I'll just help them right along, right in. Ooh, these are gonna be tasty. I did do a total of 2 racks, so we'll go ahead and pour those in there too. Wow, look at those crispy wings. We are in for a treat this afternoon. Those look fabulous. Ooh. Now, to make the best sauce and simplest sauce, all you need is a 1/2 cup of melted butter. So we'll just pour that melted butter right on top of all of those crispy wings. Look at how crispy that outside is. It's perfect. Now, I love Frank's Red Hot. You do too, babe, don't you? Mm-hmm. I would say this is probably one of our favorite hot sauces in this household. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do equal parts Red Hot as I did butter. So 1/2 cup of each, and then I'll just pour that over just like that as well. Now, of course, we're gonna mix it all together, so don't even worry about it. But I don't know, maybe you guys have a really favorite hot sauce that you like to use, and you wanna share that with us in the comments. I'm gonna give these a quick stir. Probably not the best spoon to use, but it doesn't really matter. We just wanna mix together all the hot sauce in the butter with those crispy wings. This smells so delicious. I love this buttery hot sauce. What kind of wings are your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Now, as they're soaking in that hot sauce, I'm gonna make them even better by just adding some nice, fresh green onion right on top, just to get them a little bit fancy. And I know David is gonna love them like this, aren't you, babe? So I am definitely a wing connoisseur, but I would say that David probably is the one in the household that really loves chicken wings, and he is a really good judge of character on them. So as soon as I chop this all up, you guys, we are gonna take a good look at them. And then, babe, how about I have you come over here and have a couple chicken wings? How does that sound?
Yes, please.
All right, awesome. Those look great. I don't know if they could get any better, so I can't wait to hear what you think. Babe, come over here and give them a try. Okay, so we got some tasty wings over here with your name on it.
Ooh.
Are you going for the drumstick or the wing? That is the question, you guys. Tell me in the comments, are you team drumstick or team wing? Which one are you gonna pick?
Flats all the way.
Okay, so he's saying flats. How do you, is there a special way? Are you just gonna go for it all? Oh, I thought you were just gonna stick it all in your mouth.
I'm
How
not
is
that
good? What do you
Delicious.
think? Delicious?
Very
so
good.
Don't forget, we put a little bit of that ranch seasoning right on top. He likes them. That's a good sign. So we have those chicken wings along with a little bit of that ranch seasoning that we sprinkled right on top, you guys. We got them crispy in the oven, did some equal parts with your favorite hot sauce and butter along with some crispy onion to just top it off for some freshness. I hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know if you're switching it up in any way. We'll see you later. Enjoy.